Hey guys, this is Greg coming to you with another episode of Greg's Bonsai. Today we're going to be showcasing Lemon Tree E. Yes, that's right, Lemon Tree E, the fifth tree in the Lemon Tree series. It's one, that I showcased, I think probably 2 months ago, give or take a week. But this guy is a little different than my other ones. This guy is actually kind of growing in a crown formation. It's got 3 prongs coming up, which is kind of awesome. And also, if you notice down below here, we're starting to get a woody look to the trunk, which is great, I think, anyway. I think 2 months ago, this guy looked pretty green, kind of like what we have up here growing on the branches. And now we're starting to see a little bit of woody look to it, at least going down below. It's getting a little hardier. We're starting to see that up here on what I would say the leader branch. We're going to call this guy here the leader branch for this. At least that's what I'm going to call that, because that's really looking like the best. Oh, I lied. There's some woodiness happening here as well, but we'll figure that out. Like I said, I think the last time, I'm going to have to make some hard choices here eventually on just which branch, which may be this one, will be getting cut off, because having 3 come out of the same spot kind of makes a weak spot for the tree. Okay, so we're going to have to look at that. That's not a decision for today, though. That is a decision for future Greg and the future of the channel and this video series. But we did also, meaning I, added some more dirt to this pot just because it was starting to separate here on the edges. Water was getting down on the sides, which, not the best. And it just needed a little bit more. The nutrients, it was just sucking down, and it just needed a little bit of a pick-me up here. The roots, I noticed, are also starting to come out of the bottom, so we are going to probably have to change this out in the spring. But again, that is a problem for future Greg. We do have a nice showing of leaves here. They're still nice and shiny, which is awesome. The upper leaves here are a little dull, and they are a little yellow. And I think I said in my last video here for Lemon Tree D that, I think it was D, or maybe F, one of the two. I think I'm not watering it as much as I should be, and I'm going to be remedying that. I did water this right before I made this video. So they're just in a weird spot in the grow tent, and I can't get to them all the time. And the light is probably about 2, 3, 4 inches above these the leaves, so they are getting a nice amount of heat coming off of those lights. I do use LED grow lights, but you can definitely feel the heat on the heat sink when you go to water things and accidentally touch it. Ow. But it's I think me watering will start solving some of these issues that I'm having. If we look up close here, you can actually see in this V right here, if I can get my finger, there we go, right there. Looks like we're going to have some growth coming out of that area there, so we might be seeing another branch coming out in the near future, hopefully. Like I said, I'm not really looking to trim anything off of this. I may, after I do this recording, do a little cleanup of past trimmings now that this is dried out, and just use my concave cutter just to make these look a little better and to help with some things. But all in all, it does not look bad. This guy here, not much going on here. Like I said, this is probably going to be the branch that says goodbye, and I'm probably going to do that closer to the end of winter. But just to try and help thicken this guy up a little bit. I don't foresee this branch getting too much thicker, especially with this leaf kind of here blocking a lot of the light. It's not getting as much energy. So we're going to see what comes from that. But I do like to keep, I'm trying to keep these guys in these smaller pots, a little smaller. The pots have really helped with that. I have A, B, and C in bigger pots, like 2-gallon pots, and they're like 4 times the size of this guy. So I'm trying to keep these guys in these smaller pots just to see how they go and try and keep them small. And I think it's been working out pretty well. The leaves are still pretty big, but they will shrink with time as I trim and as I defoliate and things like that. But we're not at that stage yet for these trees. But the canopy, pretty small compared to the last video that I did. I think Lemon Tree D. Lemon Tree D spread out a little bit. This guy is very compact. Like I said, it has like this crown set up here where we've got 3 coming out. I can pull this guy out and he's like, okay, we're gonna be out there. These guys are a little bit more rigid just because they're a little thicker. And we do have some clumping here. It would probably behoove me to get rid of, like, say, this leaf right here and clean out the inside. You don't want any kind of crossing branches. That does not help with growth. But for now, not a huge issue as we're young. But this is, you know, not too bad. This is, I mean, my other one was really yellow. This guy is marginally yellow right now on the top. So I think I'm going to get ahead of this and, you know, be able to get this guy saved a little bit more from losing any more greenness on this. But let me know what you think down there. We do have what looks like to be new growth coming in here, as you can see there. Don't see anything really on this guy, but it's too early for that. So we do still have growth coming in here. So maybe by next month, we'll be starting to see a trim happening here, just to kind of keep it small and compact. But I do want to try and maybe, if I can, spread this out just a little bit. We'll see what I can do. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of this guy. If there's any kind of work you would think you would do on here, just to kind of give me some ideas. Like I said, I'm probably going to get rid of this guy here eventually, probably by the end of the winter, just to give room for some spring growth. Once I start taking it outside and all that fun stuff. But this guy has really gotten thicker, really woody compared. It feels really nice. But yeah, let me know down below any comments, questions, concerns, anything like that. I love talking to the people that watch the channel. I'm over, and I really hate saying this, I'm over 200 subscribers now. So I'm starting to actually get people that I talk to a little bit more on here. Love the feedback, love seeing that. And really, this is me documenting my growth as well as the plant's growth. I'm very much, like I said, a guerrilla style videographer here. I like to get really close to what's going on my plants. These lemon trees seem to be a really big hit with the viewership as well. And I love doing this. You know, this is really me recording growth just to kind of see how it goes. I plan to be in this for the long haul. Because, you know, doing bonsai is decades, like a lifetime, really. And I like to just kind of document it and look back and see where it all started as it goes on. I've been doing this for about a half a year now, just recording. I've been doing this for about a year now total. But it's been really great to see the growth of this and just to see the camaraderie of people on my channel. And just getting the feedback and being able to talk openly and honestly about things. It's been great. So yeah, if you liked what you saw here, make sure to hit that like button. Always love seeing that. And like I said, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, any kind of feedback for the channel, put it down below. I love talking to you guys. And if you really did like it and you're new to the channel and you've gotten this far, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way, and make sure to hit that bell. And you'll get notifications as soon as a new video is posted on my channel. So until next time, guys, this is Greg's Bonsai. This is Lemon Tree E. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care. Thanks for watching.